You have a set of values to reconcile. You have a target number. Click Find Combinations. Find the values that add up to the target. What just happened? Your list of values, which could be invoices, just got reconciled against your total, which could be a payment. In other words, from your list of values, it found the numbers that add up to your total. Rounding the issue, no problem. Click Find Combinations. No exact match found. Wanna see combinations within 1 cent? You get your values from the list that add up to your target value within 1 cent. Do you have a bigger difference than 1 cent? No problem. Click Find Combinations. No exact match found. Wanna see combinations within 1 cent? Click Yes. No match found within 1 cent. Do you want the closest approximation? Click Yes. And you get the numbers that add up to the closest approximation and the difference between them. Want this Excel tool? Link in the description.